In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tutorial, how to add new accounts, chart of accounts, 5 minutes. If you're new to Xero or tidying up your bookkeeping, adding accounts to your chart of accounts is an essential skill. This is where you define the buckets your transactions will fall into, like income, expenses, assets, and liabilities, so your reports stay accurate and easy to read. Start by signing into your Xero account. On the login page, click Login, enter your email and password, and click Login again to access your organization. If you manage more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top menu and open the Accounting tab. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This page lists every account already set up in your file. To create a new one, click Add Account. This opens a form where you'll define the details of your new account. Begin by choosing the correct account type. This tells Xero how to treat the account in your reports. For example, choose expense for things like subscriptions or utilities, revenue for sales, asset for items you own, such as equipment or bank accounts, and liability for things you owe, like loans or credit cards. If you're unsure, think about whether the balance should show as something you own, owe, earn, or spend. And when in doubt, check with your accountant. Next, enter a code. Codes help keep your chart organized and allow quick data entry. Many businesses use numbering ranges such as 100s for assets, 200s for liabilities, 400s for revenue, and so on. Pick a unique code that fits your existing pattern. Xero won't allow duplicates, so follow the structure already in place. Then add a clear descriptive name. Keep it specific and readable. Something like software subscriptions is better than simply software. The goal is to make it obvious to anyone coding transactions which account to choose. Choose the default tax setting for this account. This saves time later because Xero will apply the correct rate automatically on bills and invoices. Select the rate that normally applies in your region. If a particular account should rarely have tax, choose the appropriate non-taxable option. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new account is now added to the chart of accounts. You can search for it immediately, and the next time you create an invoice or bill, you'll see it in the account dropdown. If you ever need to adjust the name, code, or tax, you can edit the account later, and if it's no longer needed, you can archive it to keep your list tidy. That's it, simple, clean, and ready for accurate reporting.